This is what we're doing today. They didn't give the guy a life vest, but they gave him a helmet. Holy crap, they are right there, huh? So yellow jacket's nest right there. They got me. One of them got me on the calf. Look at that. This thing handled out like a dream. I'll go back over here.
Oh, hell no, it's a party.
Off of that rock right there, and there's an eddy behind it. Eddy out. And then you'll see the line. Only three, yeah, that's the one. Only 3 of us can fit in at a time. So these 2 can go and bring 2 more, and we can kind of do it that way. You don't want to pile in here. If somebody gets pinned, don't just blow in there on them. You're gonna go down, stay in the flow, stay to the left. Try to boof it. Farther left is better. You want to be right up on that rock really fast. There you go, stay with it. It's hard to get over this rock, so we're going to go around the left. That's okay, that happens. It's all read and run now. Yeah. These rocks out here are very slippery. Nope, over here. Get over here. That was it. Get in here. Get in here, Matt. Yeah. Look how easy. Dig, come on. Give me that bow. I'll take that.
You want out?
Nah. I wanted to get all of us in here. There you go. Let's play a game. Let's smash the piranha.
Matt, I'm not.
Get him. Grab it. Get in that one. Whoa, that was a good one. That's a Class 5 360. Nice. There's a splat down here. Drive it hard. Oh, that was good. This is the hole that turn enters everybody. Go behind this tree. I mean, behind this rock.